In terms of ways I've seen this successfully applied, I think the first thing is playing to your strengths. It's a real trap for young players to sit down, look at your core client groups and start talking about ones you're not even dealing with at the moment. I think the first place I'd start as an organisation is, okay, where do we have strengths? I recently had a discussion with a 6-partner practice that have been hugely successful, and they've focused their practice around 2 industries. And it was interesting having a chat with them because they'd recognised that through the GFC they'd probably watered down that focus, I think, as we probably all have. You know, it started perhaps looking for any fees we can get just to keep the team together, keep it clicking over. But one of the things they realised was that now that things were growing again, they were going to focus back on those 2 industries that really got them there. And I thought that was really quite a mature decision, you know, because that's what got them there in the first place. Let's hang with that. If you are going to target new client groups, again, I'd really encourage you to look at your internal capabilities. You know, what strengths do you have, and make sure that those strengths are relevant to that new client group. And also perhaps have a look at how that, if it's an industry, for example, how the industry is travelling, because you know the juxtaposition of those 2 things, you having a strength in that that's applicable to that industry, and it being a burgeoning industry, is a really good growth target, if that makes sense. And in terms of that, I was actually having a look the other day. Now, Gilbert and Tobin as a firm are a firm that's been recognised, particularly in that technology space, as doing that really well. But if you go to their website now, it's really quite interesting in that what they're suggesting now to their clients is that they're a law firm that handles emerging technologies well, emerging industries well. So it seems to me what they're saying is that what they learnt in dealing in technology is transferable to other emerging industries, which is quite clever, and I'd agree with that sort of positioning. So yeah, quite a good way of looking at your core client groups.